Hello everybody, here I am again in the kitchen. It's a sign that we're retired, I've got time to do this. And I'm going to do another one of our favourites, which is very easy and quite quick as well. And this is salmon with pesto, with salmon pasta we call it. And the ingredients are all here. We've got some butter that we're going to cook the leeks in, some nice leeks here that we had from Carrefour, mushrooms, salmon, smoked salmon, which we really like, tagliatelle, and some chives to go on the top. So I'm just going to get all the veg ready and then show you what to do. We've got everything ready here now, so it's ready to go into the pan. So we've got some butter, I'm going to melt the butter, and I think I'll put a bit of oil in, a little drizzle of olive oil as well. A few circles. So we're going to melt that, and then I'm going to add the leeks first, and then the mushrooms. To get the hands. We do have handles for this. It's hot. And there we go. Give them a good fry.
We had a few leftover onions, so we've added those as well.
Okay. Found that in the fridge, so stick it in, why not? So give it a nice. The leeks are getting nice and soft now, so we're going to add the mushrooms. And there we go. And just let them cook together for a bit. So now we have the master chef at work, and the salmon's being cut up, ready to put into the dish. It's cooking very nicely there. Some nice smoked salmon ready to go in. And it doesn't need to cook for very long either. And in goes the salmon. And as I said at the beginning, this is a very quick, easy recipe. And very tasty as well. We're actually doing this to take tomorrow to have with Adam and Jamie and our grandchildren for our supper tomorrow night. So the salmon till it goes all nice and pink. So while we are waiting for the food to cook here, bubbling away nicely, we're going to do some cebolina, they're called in Spanish, the chives are they. So we chop these up and put them in a little bowl just to add some meal at the end, just to give it a bit of colour and a little bit of nice texture. So it's all cooking away very nicely there. Add a little sprinkling of black pepper. Not very much because it's for children as well. And now we add the cream to it. Just a little cream now. It's nice, stir together. that's the creamy salmon sauce finished. Looks delicious. So the salmon sauce is done, and now we just need to cook this lovely tagliatelle, which is fresh pasta that I like to put it in. I'm going to put it in this boiling water for 3 minutes. 2 lots. This will serve probably between 6 and 8 people. So this is going to be in here for 3 minutes just to cook, let it boil first, and then we're going to drain it and add it to the salmon, and that'll be it. Nice, easy. So the tagliatelle has been in for about 3 minutes, bubbling away. Just put it through the colander. Some steam. And last bit, add it to the salmon. 2 utensils here to give it a good mix. And there we have creamy salmon pasta. So we're going to try a little bit now. So thank you for watching and enjoy another recipe. So let's have a dish up now. It's a tricky operation as well, this is. And there's the finished product, looking very nice and ready to eat.